going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in beautiful Long Beach. It is nice and sunny out here. Not too hot too, I love it. But yeah, got a Nike outlet. Let's go see what's up, man. They do got a heat wall. Of course, you don't get the extra 30% off. The reimagined, these are, oh, these are technically not a grade school. They're men's 5, but pretty much grade school. So grade school 5. Because I think this one, yeah, you see the Y right there. Okay. Dude, got some dunks. These are some women's dunks, size 6.5. 14s. Haven't seen these at an outlet in a while. Alright, have seen that at Chic. That's pretty much the only spot. You got some 5s, some UNC 5s. So these at Watts, haven't seen them in a while. Do got these are men's size. Got some 6s. You got some 11 lows. Someone just grabbed those. Couple of the lucky greens. No discounts on any of these though. Air Max 1s, 2s. So no discount on the heat wall right there, but they do got 30% off the back wall. Let's look around here. Alright, I guess this location, they're not trying to give discounts on the Jordan returns. That kind of sucks. Air Max 95s going for 140. Not too shabby, especially after 30% off. Air Max 2017s going for 165. I forgot to say we're starting with the 10.5. Do got some Dallas Cowboys slides. I was like, these look small. These are size 9 in the size 10 section. Don't even know the price of these either. More Air Max 95, size 10.5, 160 for these. These got some nice materials on them. Moving down in size, do got some LeBron 2s. We've seen this for way cheaper. So 210 or what's this, 175? 175 minus 30%. We've seen these for close to $100 in certain spots. All right. Size 10 Air Max 95 SE with the camel. With the camo on it. $150 for these. Size 9 Vomero 16s go for 75. Air Max 97 Raiders colorway 140. That's a size 9. And yeah, the 3M on these look pretty fire. Flight 95s. $130 for those. Size 8 130 for these Air Force Ones. Very interesting material. Okay, $130. Team Jordans right here. The 2 trays go for 145. What are these? Vomero 15s go for 120. That's the smaller section right there. Size 10, 10.5. Let's go check out the 11s and above. Size 11. This is an 11.5 right here. I was seeing if there's a price on this one. No price. Vapor Max Plus, we've seen a ton of these on sale. This is regular price though. You do get 30% off, but I feel like lately with the Vapor Max, we've seen like really steep discounts on them. ISP 200 for these. These are the Sense Flyknits. These are awful looking. What the hell? Got some Witness 6s going for $110. I thought the outlets have been heating up lately. I thought they've been getting all kinds of stuff. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't been to this outlet in forever. Maybe that's why. $110 for these Fancy Marine Flyknit 2s. Size 12. What's this running shoe right here? That's so interesting. Pegasus Trail 4 Gore-Tex going for $95. Gore-Tex means it is weather resistance. So you can go run in the elements. Jordan 37 lows down to 120. 12.5. That's actually pretty dope. Especially with that 30% off. Got some Blazer mids going for $100. Size 13 and above in this little area right here. Jordan 37, size 13. That's retail. What the hell, man? Why'd they put that yellow tag on? That's just I think that just shows which round of discounts or which round of marking. Some of them have the gray ones. That means it was marked down earlier. Phantom React Flyknits go for 75. Air Zoom GT Jumps, $150 for these. Then we see a thick Zoom Air unit in the front and the back on these. These look like they're for the bigger guys up front. Dang, dude. Like, this is just a lot of impact protection stuff like that. Alright, these bad boys, $1.50, size 13. Do got some J's down here, size 18. I guess y'all get a little discount on J's. I reload 5, size 14s go for $90. Not really seeing the most heat. Kitty Tray 5.9s go for $60. That's the size 15. Not a crazy selection in the bigger sizes, and also one pair of J's all along the back wall. That's kind of disappointing. Wow. Dang, they play on the music. I don't remember the music being so loud here. All right, let's go check the aisle, see what's going on here. Cosmic Unity. These are going down in price. We've even seen the second gen at the outlets lately. That's a little price though. Air Max 97s. Got some Monarchs. That's cheap. The Monarch right there. Metcon 8s. So it says 99 here. It says 97 on the box. I wonder if they'll give you that extra 30 off. If you see a lot of the 97s, they do have that 30% off. Usually 97 means clearance. Air Force One mids. Haven't seen a price like that in a long time. Wow. You know, if Air Force Ones ain't being sold, you know that means sneaker market is down like crazy. Air Max 95s right here. These were kicks, right? Got some Zoom Freak 4s. Dude, got some Infinity Tour Next Percents. Max RF4s. Whatever the hell that thing is. Got a bunch of other generic Jordan Access. Other stuff. Zoom Freak 4s. Bacon colorway. Those so remind me of the Bacons. More of the Cosmic Unities. Some ACG. These are called the Locate FM. Never seen these before. Definitely built for hiking. Asuna slides right here. Going for way too much. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Laser mids. 30% off apparel. We haven't seen the greatest apparel lately, but of course we got to check because it's 30% off. Starting off with some Rams merch. The draft just happened. Hopefully your team did well. The Niners didn't have a pick, so I didn't even look it up, to be honest. Since the Niners didn't have a first round pick. All right, 85 for this Rams jacket right here. Not too shabby, especially with the 30% off. Pretty decent material. It feels like dry. Yeah, it's ThermaFit, which is legit stuff. Dude got a hoodie right here. Feels way cheaper. $75 for that one. That's a way better deal. ACG merch, like this is really nice merch, super thick. ACG stuff is always premium, but look at that price tag, definitely premium price tag. At least you get 30% off. Got some mediums right here. A Tentakumpo jackets right here going for $55. These are XLs. Clippers jerseys. I haven't even been talking trash to the Clipper fans, to be really honest, because y'all had so many injuries, especially during the playoffs. Really sucked for you guys. Yeah, I did hear trash talk from some of you Clipper fans during the season when the Lakers weren't doing very well. But yeah, no point beating a dead horse. But yeah, $1.20 for those, man. Damn, dude, no discounts? Really? Just the 30% off, that's it. Dude, this SB, I have one of these at home. I have this exact same one at home. And look, $80. I paid $40 for mine. Got it at the clearance store, $80. This is normally like $110 or something too. But yeah, the SB material is so nice. It is a small though, so yeah, I don't know anybody who would fit that. Yeah, even my kiddo wears a medium now. This is fire. I'm such a fan of that. Got Chargers merch right here. Damn, I need to send one of my boys some Chargers merch now that I think about it. $45. Checking another rack. They have like 4 racks here. But yeah, got the Nintendo 8-bit lettering right here. $12.50. Pretty cheap. But yeah, that's really not for me. Jordan shirt. Double XL though. Pretty clean design right here. Oh, yeah, that ruins it on the back for me. $30. All right, these two are for pants right here. Shorts and then pants on that one. Shorts and longs, actually, that's what I call them. But not really seen too many in the short section. $55 for those? What the hell? I guess this is tech fleece, but still, goddamn. Like, these are pretty cool, but I'm just not a fan of how skinny the legs are. Yeah, it's not 60 down to 40. Then just a bunch of running shorts. Yeah, like booty shorts if you need that for a dude, I guess. Oh, this one's actually pretty cool. baseball. It's like a baseball shorts right here. These are actually pretty fire. It is a large. Damn, how short is this? Even for a large, what the hell? $65? What the hell is wrong with people? Like the young kids, like the short shorts are coming back for young kids. I'm like, man, like you don't need your thing hanging out. I don't know, whatever. But I do got the longs right here. Do got the sweats, 55 down to 30. This one, oh, it's the same one. I was like, that's pretty dope with the little tag on the back. Got some tapered pants. I have no clue what the hell this is for. Is it for snowboarding? I don't know. Because it has like the vents, just like snowboard pants, but they're super thin though. 65 for those. 28 waists. No, this is this for golf? I don't know. 95 for those. That's about it, dude. Do got cherry red Jordan 11 shirts right here. What's the price? What is the price? These are going for $25, down from $35. Fleece only, so $45. You get another 40% off. This is pretty cool. I like hoodies, so I prefer hoodies over just regular sweatshirts. Then do got pants on this side. You still get that 40% off, it looks like. Yeah, 55 for this one. I think I have the one that matches this one. This one slightly different. And do got the flight one right here. These are usually a premium. 85 down to 60 for those. Before I leave, I did have to check to see if there was anything new on here. No, not really. Not really. Before we take a look at the women's section, see what I'm wearing. Some Kobe ADs. Which are alright, I got these when they were on sale at the clearance store. Man, I mentioned, man, Kobe's used to be on sale. Nobody used to rock Kobe's. Man, I miss those days for sure. Of course, that was before he passed too, so also missed those days for that reason, I guess. But yeah, man. And then shorts, t-shirt. Man, all my t-shirts, like none of them are like super white. So I did order a bunch of t-shirts, white t-shirts. All right, go Lakers, man, go Lakers. Lakers game tonight, so hopefully the Lakers are done with the series by the end of tonight. You got Jordan 3s. We've seen these on sale though, even at Shoe Palace, I believe. But yeah, $2 to get that 30 off, so 140, not too shabby. Air Max 90s right here. I'm kind of a fan of these. Size 8.5, go for 140. Got them in multiple sizes. 7.5 right here. Size 7. See some Air Force Ones right here. See a size 6 version of these. More Air Force One. These are some platforms right here. Go for $110. More size 7 Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, $150. All black Huaraches go for $125. Air Force One Stealth. Price is a little bit high, dude. Price is a little bit high today. All right, we are checking out the aisles. We got some Huaraches in the women's section. Pegasus 39 shoes. Vapor Max under $100 freaking dollars. That is crazy. Of course, sizing's limited. 8.5, 6.5, 7, 9.5. Invincible Run Flyknits does have that Zoom X on it. Super comfy. Air Force One premiums with that premium nubuck material on it. Blazers, Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. Dunk highs. Got some Air Force Ones all white. Another Air Force One. Some shadows. X Natures, got that tumble leather on it, not too shabby. You need way too many Nike signs. Got 5 on one side, 5 on the other. 10 Nike signs. Actually, more on top of it. 12 Nike signs. You need 12, 13 Nike signs. Go ahead. Tenkos right here. M2K Tenkos. Lasers. Low platforms. Air Max 90s. Got a couple of them. 97s. It's just like all rose gold, I guess. 2070s. 2017s. Got a trio of these. Interesting color right here. Like a, I don't know, is that a rose gold right there? Oh, red bronze. Another 270 right here. Air Max 2021s. 2090s. Another one of these. And another 2021 Flyknit Vapor Max. Got plenty of sizes here. All right, women's section looking way better. The men's section, they're not really, man, they've been stingy as hell with the Jordans right there, man. Put the 30% off like they normally do. That's about it, man. That's about it. Let's go. Let's go. Damn, I almost missed this section. Look at this. Look at this. Jordan hoodies, $35. You get an extra freaking 30% off. What the hell? That's what, 20 something dollars for those. Not bad. Medium, large. Got this oversized one. I always thought this one was overpriced. $1.20 down to 55. More of these right here. Dang, dude, these ain't bad, especially for that price. Dang, not bad. This one is nice. This one's oh, it's a dry fit. Super nice. $36 for dry fit. That's a dope colorway right there too. That's kind of interesting that it comes up right here and then starts from the side. Haven't seen that too much, but $36. That is hella cheap. Got jerseys here too. Got All-Star LeBron James jerseys. $84. You do get that extra. To get that extra 30% off on top. And who's this one? Oh, it's a LeBron James one as well. Okay. I thought this was like the West and East colorway, but all right. Got a bunch of sizes on those, up to XL. And those hoodies, great time to buy off season, you guys. Many of us aren't really growing vertically or horizontally, hopefully. So yeah, you can grab those for hella cheap. They got some running shorts right here for $20. But yeah, that's definitely the best find of the day. These ain't bad. I told myself I ain't buying any more hoodies. But this, like the material and stuff, like this is not bad. This really ain't bad at all. I want to think about it. I just love hoodies. I got way too many at home. Oh, it is kind of thin. I do prefer the thicker hoodies. All right, I'll pass just because of that. But yeah, these are what, $25 or something? Like, damn, that's a good price. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. I did make it here. I was in there within 2-3 minutes of them opening. I didn't really see people like who had already grabbed all the heat and stuff like that. So it is what it is. I haven't been here in quite a long time, so I figured I would make the drive. It took me well over an hour to get here this morning, and I had to fight through traffic. But yeah, man, that's pretty much the Nike outlet out in Long Beach. You have to check. Sometimes you're not going to find stuff, but that's kind of how it goes with the Nike outlet game. I get a lot of questions. Hey, what size did they have? What size? Like, if you're asking those questions, you've already missed out because you're not just out there. Like, that's why I try to throw the shorts out for you guys. If there's something hot, I try to throw out the short while I'm at the store. I usually get those out like right when I leave the store. Like I have to edit it real quick on my phone, and then I usually try to put those out. But yeah, if you're asking questions, it's probably too late, man. You just kind of have to move. It is what it is. And yeah, hopefully those shorts help out and stuff. And hopefully you guys are finding heat. Make sure you guys don't throw things on your credit card and stuff like that. The economy is getting worse and worse right now. A lot of people are losing jobs. So hopefully you guys aren't building up a bunch of credit card debt. They're just sneakers, you guys. You know, I love sneakers. I have a couple hundred pairs, but it's like, you know, I'm even selling a few things like right now and stuff. So make sure you guys don't overstretch yourself. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, you guys. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Appreciate each and every one of you guys that do support the channel. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. I'm gonna hit up a few other outlets and hopefully we can find some heat. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.